Okay, let's start. Firstly, you need an AWS account to continue the VPN setup. So let's log into the console. If you don't have an AWS account, feel free to create one. It's totally free, so you don't have to pay for anything. And also it gives you 12 months of free tier access. It's all you need to set up the VPN server on the AWS console. Once you have created your AWS account, just click sign in. Once you have signed in, click services. Under compute, click on the EC2. Basically, what does EC2 means is it's just a virtual machine sits on the cloud. Click on the EC2. And also note that I'm on the new dashboard. So if you are in the old dashboard, then you might see the options are in different places. So the second thing, change the region wherever that you want to put your VPN server. So I'm just going to go with Europe, Paris. When you connect via the VPN client, it will show you as you're connecting from Paris, so you get the idea. Click on the launch instances. On this page that you need to click on the AWS Marketplace. As you can see, there are several AMIs that are available for you to just play with. Barracuda, CloudGen Firewall, and then Trend Micro. And what we are looking for is the OpenVPN, but not this one particularly. Look for OpenVPN, and then you'll get a bunch of AMIs. And then we are only interested on the very first one. It's free tier eligible. So this one is configured for 10 connected devices, and this one is 25, so basically that you have to pay. Let's go with the first one. So this one, when you check on the price details, it's bring you one license. This server allow you to have 2 concurrent connections at no additional cost, so you and your friend can use the VPN server for free. But if you want to add more users to the VPN server, and then you might need to purchase the license. So click continue. Select the general purpose T2 micro. This one is free tier eligible. And then I'm just going with the default, so feel free to change anything that if you want to, otherwise just click review and launch. So on this page you need to create a new key pair, or you can use your existing key pair. I'm just going to create a new one, my new VPN access, and download the key pair and launch instances. Click on the instance. Okay, the instance state is still pending, so let's wait until it's become ready. So now our VPN server is up and running, and let's connect to it and then configure. There are several ways to connect to your EC2 instance. So standalone SSH client via PuTTY or PuTTY, or session manager, that if you want to connect, or you can connect via browser-based SSH connection. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this command and then open up the PowerShell. I'm going to paste it. Basically what's happening is it's just looking for this file on my computer, which I have downloaded earlier, which is in my downloads directory. I'm just going to change it and then hit enter to click yes. Okay, so now I'm seeing the agreement, and okay, let's say yes. Okay, so it's going to list some of the basic configurations. I'm just going with the default, and feel free to change anything that if you want to modify. Hit enter, 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 enter. All right. All right. So now it says, please log in as the user OpenVPN as rather than the root user. Let's change it quickly. OpenVPN has. Alright, here you go. Okay, so we have successfully logged into the VPN server appliance. Let's change the password. Sudo. Okay, I'm going to set up a password. Okay, so we have set up the basic configurations for the VPN server. This our admin console to access the VPN server, and this is the client URL to connect. So I'm just going to copy this one, then paste it, and advance, yes, continue. Okay, so login with my admin account, OpenVPN, and my password, sign in, and agree with the agreement. Okay, so once you have logged in to the VPN server, so you just need to do one thing first. On the routing, so you just need to change this to yes, because should client internet traffic be routed through the VPN? Yes, because I want all of my traffic to be routed through the VPN. So click yes, and then save settings. Okay, and update running server. So my server is updated with my latest configurations. All right. Okay. The next one, that if you want to add your, if you want to add another user to use the same, use the VPN server, under user management, click user permissions. Create a new user. Let's say let's call it Buddy, and then more settings, and put the password. Okay, and then check this box, allow auto login. So when the Buddy user connects via the client, then they don't have to enter the credentials every time, so it will auto connect. Okay, save settings, update running server, boom. All right, so now our VPN server is up and running, so it's time to check it out. All right, log out. All right, so our client login is this one. All right, so is user login. I'm going to log in with my user account, Buddy. Here you go. So you can use the OpenVPN server via all the platforms of Windows computer or Mac or Android, iOS, Linux, or everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to download the VPN client. Okay, keep anyway. Okay, I'm just going to run the installer. Come on, Windows, run anyway. Next. All right. Once the setup is completed, open up the VPN client. So the good thing is it's pre-configured with all the credentials. So what you have to do is just turn it on. Boom. All right. So now we have connected to the VPN server. Let's confirm it. What is my IP? Wow, I'm in Paris. Okay, so this works. So this is our OpenVPN server IP address over here, which we have configured earlier. So basically, I have created this OpenVPN server in Paris region. So it's where I am according to my VPN client. So this one is working, and then if you want to disconnect, just turn it off. So you don't have to enter the credentials every time, so it will auto connect, and so things. All right, enjoy the free VPN access for 1 year. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.